Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with another insane video! Woo! Yeah! Alright. Now in this video we're gonna talk about $158,000. Now let me ask you a question. Do you make $158,000 in a year? The answer is probably no. That's what doctors make. But what if I told you you could make $158,000 in a month? Yeah, you heard that right. Well, it's true, it's possible, and I'm gonna show you how. Just watch this video with Benjamin. He's gonna show you exactly how it's done. And if you wanna do it too, just click the link in the description and I'll see you on the other side. Now let's watch that video. Woo! Yeah!
And I make this video right now to show you guys, some inspiration and some motivation for you guys that making money online is very real. You can make a lot of money online. This is one of my biggest months ever. But let me refresh real quick. Oh, that's $158,000 this month. And that's just free traffic. That's from a YouTube channel, massive YouTube channel. It took me years to build up. It's passively getting, hundreds of thousands of views per day, which I basically link to very smart in a very unique way, which I do teach, inside programs and for free and everything like that. But in a very unique way, I promote these freaking CPA offers. So you can do the same thing. I'm no different. If you've ever struggled to make money online like I have before, just know that you're on the right track because I'm teaching you guys literally gold here in all my videos and stuff. And
hey, listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean, anyone. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!